We're actually finding an elevator. We're looking for yung station going to Haneda. So medyo traffic. Medyo tingnan mo yung Tokyo. This is Tokyo, no? Although located in Chu City. Ito, tingnan natin sila. So we're checking yung mga locals kung saan sa baba. We have sufficient time pa naman, 5 hours. Going to Haneda Airport. So let us see. Tingnan natin. Yun. Okay. Nandun yung going there rather than carrying yung doon pala na area. Ito kasi ang lalim mo, tingnan mo. Kaya nga, ang better na ito. See? Sobrang lalim mo. Okay. So, you just observe yung mga locals. Iwan yung bag dito. On where to find an elevator. So, every station, hanapin mo lang yung way, no, na makahanap ng elevator kasi dito sobrang lalim. Okay.